Good morning, students. In DSC 202, what we are doing, we are going through a play which is written by William Shakespeare. Name of the play is The Merchant of Venice, and I have already given you, I have already sent you a flow chart of the same. I have discussed, a few scenes with you. Act 1 हमारा complete हो चुका है, and we have अब तक कहाँ तक हमने story जो है complete कर ली है. The scene, opening scene deals with the introduction of almost all the characters where we come to know about the friendship of Antonio and Bassanio, and we come to know about Graciano, Selenio, and Celario. So we come to know about all these characters. We come to know, then we are taken to Belmont, where we come to know about Portia and what the conditions are there for her marriage. उसके father ने क्या क्या conditions उसकी marriage के लिए रखे हैं. We came to know about Nerissa also. Then we come to know about the liking of Bassanio for पोर्शिया. एक अफेयर जो है वो डेवलप होता है, बट प्रॉब्लम इज़ देयर विद वन थिंग, दैट पोर्शिया's father has laid a condition. There are 3 caskets, one made up of gold, other one is silver, and third one is of lead. So in of all these 3 caskets, a few inscriptions are written on them, and in any one of these caskets contain the picture of Portia, and it was the condition that whosoever कि जो भी जो suitor है, whosoever would be able to find out that very picture of Portia would become the husband of Portia, or he'll be able to marry Portia. So Portia wants to follow the same thing. She has slightest of liking for Bassanio. She doesn't want to marry anyone else, but suitors come, she doesn't ignore them, and she gives them a chance according to the condition laid by her father. On the other hand, we come to know that Bassanio wants to come to Belmont, but he doesn't have money. On the other hand, then simultaneously, what is the condition there in Venice, that Antonio has spent all his money, he has invested all his money, and ships are on their way. So he is almost empty handed. So we come to know in the story that what happens, that Antonio, he agrees to borrow money from Shylock. Shylock is a Jew. He hates Christians and he has a different bent of mind. He believes in exploitation of the poor. वो लोगों को गरीब लोगों को पैसा देता है, लेकिन he takes interest, huge interest उसके ऊपर वो लेता है. Suddenly what happens, that Antonio goes to Shylock, and Shylock takes it as a golden chance to take revenge upon Antonio. He says that I'm ready to pay you money, you will be given money, but I am giving you certain time period bond. You'll have to sign a bond. If you won't be able to return my money within that time period, what would be the consequence? I'll take 1 pound of flesh from any part of your body. That was a condition. Antonio was very hopeful that sooner or later, whenever the time would come, within 3 months he'll be able to pay back the money, because uske jo jahaz and they'll be back, and he'll be able to get money from them, because he is expecting something very positive from them. But unfortunately, what happens, that money is taken. Bassanio is planning to go, and they plan to have a party at night. So Shylock is invited by Bassanio and Antonio, and some other characters are also there. And in the meantime, we came to know about Jessica Lorenzo love affair. Both of them, they are in love with each other. Then there is old Gobbo and the son of old Gobbo, and what happens, that old Gobbo's son is given a letter by Jessica, and that very letter is meant for Lorenzo के लिए वो letter है, in which she wants to elope with him. वो उसके पास से father के पास से जाना चाहती है, because she is not satisfied with the pattern of his life. For her, he is a criminal जो गरीब लोगों को exploit करता है. So all these 3 scenes of the second act, we have 4 scenes we have completed, which are our second chapter. So now let us move towards the fifth scene. Fifth scene begins in front of the Shylock's house. Why? Because Shylock is with Antonio and Bassanio. वो पार्टी में गया हुआ है, and Shylock जो है वो what did he plan? He planned to take 1 pound of flesh, and he is very happy. और वो चला गया, वो पार्टी में चला गया, and he is a he doesn't like that very food, because pork is there, जो flesh of a pig is there, and he doesn't like that, and he can't take that because he is a Jew. So but even then he goes, because party is being given by an extravagant Christian, and he has given his daughter some instructions that you won't open the door, you'll just bolt the door, you'll lock door from inside. So Shylock is what is he doing? He is simply taking food of his choice, and he is talking to the people, and Lancelot जो है वो what does he do? He goes there. Lancelot Gobbo is there who brought the letter of जेसिका फॉर लोरेंजो, जो जेसिका का लेटर लोरेंजो के लिए आ गया है। उस वक्त जो है लोरेंजो जो है वो ही सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग and he sings it very loudly, and he says that in that very song he says that a Christian will wait for her below her window, and Shylock feels very surprised, but he fails to understand the concept of what was being discussed there. Then suddenly we saw there is a mass procession which is led by torch bearers. So torch bearers they were involved in a mass procession, and they cross through the street in front of Shylock's house, and Gratiano and Celerio they are waiting for Lorenzo outside Shylock's house, और जो Antonio और Bassanio है they are with Shylock right now. Shylock is with Bassanio, वो अपने घर में नहीं है. Gratiano जो है no, he is comparing love with that of that of feast के साथ वो compare करता है कि unless till the moment lovers won't be together, they'll have a craving to be together. They would like to be together. Once they are together, then again normal things they commence, or life starts in a normal way. He is comparing it with food, like when you are hungry you need food, and when you take food then everything becomes normal. Same is the case with love. So suddenly Lorenzo appears there, and he tells the reason of his delay. So Lorenzo and Jessica they talk to each other. अब जो वो प्रोसेशन जो है वो गली से जा रहा है, जैसे वो प्रोसेशन निकलता है लोरेंजो वहाँ आता है. ही डिसाइड्स टू टॉक टू जेसिका. ही टॉक्स टू जेसिका. जेसिका हैड सेंट अ लेटर. मैंने आपको बार बार ये बताया है कि उसने जो है वो लेंसलॉट गॉबो के हाथ जो है वो लेटर भेजा था. शी वांटेड हिम टू कम टू हर, एंड दे टॉक टू ईच अदर, एंड सडनली what does she do? She hangs bag filled with money and jewelry downward. वो कपड़े से एक बैग को लटकाती है. She puts on the dress of a boy, because it's not possible to be out at night in the dress of a girl. She in the disguise of a boy she has planned to elope, and she comes down. When she comes out, then what does she do? She gets involved in that very procession of torch bearers के procession में वो शामिल हो जाती है. So it's not easy for her father to find out where Jessica is right now. So in the next scene we are taken to Belmont again. एक scene जो है वो वेनिस में है, दूसरा scene is laid in Belmont जो है वो पैरेलल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ प्लॉट है. बेलमॉन्ट में क्या है? प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को हैज़ रेड ऑल द 3 inscriptions. So 3 inscriptions are there. He is attracted by the motto inscribed in the gold casket. What is it said? Who chooseth me shall get what many men desire. सिल्वर कैस्केट पे लिखा था who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves, और जो लेड कैस्केट पे था उस पे लिखा था who chooseth me must give and hazards all he hath. So he makes a choice. He plans to decide accordingly, and ultimately he chooses golden casket, where he feels like now I'll be able to find out the picture of beautiful lady Portia. But instead of that, what does he find? He finds a picture of a skull, and there is something written, or that all that glitters is not gold. So ultimately he has to be back. Portia doesn't say even a single word, and the Prince of Morocco has to be back. उनको जो वापस जाना पड़ता है. Then again we are taken back to Venice. हम वेनिस में आते हैं, where Celerio and Solenio they are discussing about the latest news. Latest news deals with the लॉस ऑफ एंटोनियो शिप्स. एंटोनियो की जो शिप्स हैं उनका लॉस हो चुका है, एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, एंड साइमल्टेनियसली दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन थिंग, दैट बेसिनियो हैज़ बीन विद ग्रेशियानो बट लोरेंजो हैज़ नॉट येट बीन टू बेलमॉन्ट. लोरेंजो जो है वो नहीं गया है, बिकॉज लोरेंजो इज स्टिल देयर. ही स्टिल विद जेसिका. वो लोग कहीं और जाने का प्लान आउट कर रहे हैं. इट शोज दैट जेसिका इज मिसिंग नाउ, because in scene 7 we come to know that scene 6 we come to know that she has left her father's house. She has eloped with eloped with her lover. So जो वो अपने लवर के साथ जो है वो लोरेंजो के साथ वो निकल गई है, एंड शी वोंट बी फाउंड एनीवेयर. सो ऑन वन हैंड लोरेंजो इज़ नॉट विद बेसिनियो, बेसिनियो हैज़ बीन टू बेलमोंट एंड जेसिका हैज़ एलोप्ड विद लोरेंजो. इसमें सीन में दो डेवलपमेंट्स होती हैं. क्या है? एक तो जेसिका इज़ एलोप्ड विद लोरेंजो, ऑन द अदर हैंड बेसिनियो इज़ विद प्लानिंग टू बी विद पोर्शिया. वो वहाँ से निकल चुका है. देन सडनली व्हाट हैपन्स दैट Shylock, he goes to the Duke of Venice and he informs him about the elopement of Portia, about the elopement of Jessica, his daughter, and he is very much confused. As usual, fathers feel confused, but he is very much money minded, and he is more worried about his money, and he is worried about one thing also, that is elopement of his daughter with a Christian. And he says that my daughter has run away with a Christian, she has taken all my money, and now he is feeling like people of Venice will make fun of him. So it is a great blow for his prestige, and he says that he is saying that between France and England some ships have been lost, and those ships they belong to Antonio. अब क्या हुआ? इसमें तीन चीज़ें होगी. एक तो elopement of Jessica and Lorenzo है, दूसरा जो Basino है, he is planning to be, he has left for Belmont. Third is loss of Antonio is made clear to us that Antonio has lost each and everything, and Solenio says that Antonio leaves the world only for the sake of Bassanio. उनके जो best ideal friendship का example that has been quoted here. Then in scene 9, what happens? We are again taken to Belmont, where Prince of Aragon is there. He is ready to play the casket game, and he wants to win Portia as his wife. Again the same thing is there. The caskets are there, inscription is there. He wants to read each and every inscription. He wants to understand that. He understands and he decides to open the casket. Now he opens the silver casket, where what does he find? He finds that there is a fool's head inside. कुछ भी उसको नहीं मिलता है. He has to leave that very area. Then ultimately Portia comes to know that a man wants to see her, and that very man belongs to Venice. So she wants to meet that very person. He is probably Bassanio, and Nerissa hopes that जो Venice से जो आया है, Venetian है जो, he should definitely be Bassanio, whom Portia likes somewhere. So we are taken to third scene now. In Act 3, scene 1. What happens there? It is, we are going to see the reaction of Shylock. What is the reaction of a father whose daughter has eloped with, एक तो एंटी क्रिश्चियन, एक तो वो जू के साथ नहीं गई थी, शी हैड बीन विद क्रिश्चियन. एंटी जू था, उसका जो थॉट था वो अलग तरह का था. और दूसरे शी हैड eloped with money, she had taken all his money which he loved from the core of his heart. पैसे से उससे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार था. We are taken to Venice again. Solenio and Celerio meet again on the street, and he reports about the news of Antonio's shipwreck to be true. अब वो confirm हो चुकी है न्यूज़. वो they are very very sad because of the loss of Antonio, and they talk about the fate of Antonio because they know about the bond which he had signed. जो bond sign हुआ था उसके बारे में पता था उनको, amount भी पता था और dead date भी पता थी कि last date क्या है. And they were really worried that Antonio का reaction क्या होने वाला है, how he react to the things. So he reveals now this very news reaches Shylock also. Now he is ready to have the flesh of Antonio. उसको तो बदला लेना है because उसके मन में क्या है कि एक तो एंटोनियो उसका कॉम्पिटिटर था, एंड ही वॉज गिविंग मनी विदाउट एट टाइम्स विदाउट इंटरेस्ट और लीस्ट इंटरेस्ट लेके वो लोगों को मनी देता था, एंड ही डिडंट एक्सप्लॉइट एनीवन. तो जो शाइलॉक का बिजनेस था उस चीज़ से अफेक्ट हो रहा था. शी वांटेड टू टेक रिवेंज अपॉन एंटोनियो. सो ही सेज if Christians are suffering, then he remarks, if you pick us, do we not bleed? He concludes saying, the villainy you teach me, I'll execute. I am a villain because of you, because you don't take money. I have to take money, I have to earn money. So made me a villain in front of the people of Venice. So what I have to do, I have to take revenge upon you. I learned it from you. I became a villain because of you. Now my revenge goes to you. First of all, you'll be my prey. आज मैं तुम पे execute करूँगा. Celerio and Solenio they leave, and Jessica and her lover, he comes to know they are in Geneva, and Jessica is spending all his hard-earned money, and he feels very much jealous and very much worried about the things, because he is least worried about Jessica. He is worried about his reputation. He is worried about his money she has taken with him, and he says that he'll surely take that pound of flesh from Antonio, whatsoever he has committed or he has signed a bond. And अब वो क्या करता है, ही प्लान्स टू गेट, कि किस तरह से वो एंटोनियो से जो है उसका पाउंड ऑफ फ्लैश जो है वो लेके उसको अचीव करेगा गोल को जो उसने सोचा है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर योर, दिस इज़ ऑल about your play whatsoever we had gone through, we have already gone through. So I just want to tell you that you won't go through line to line, you will go through the summary of the play. Line to line we will do later on if college is open. Suppose जल्दी खुल जाएंगे तो we will go through line to line. अगर नहीं खुलते हैं तो I'll send you videos which line to line उसको describe करके I'll send you videos accordingly. So firstly just try to understand the concept whatsoever is given in the play which is of great use for all of us. हमारे लिए पहले प्ले की स्टोरी क्लियर होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, किस एक्ट में क्या है और किस सीन में क्या है, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैंने आपको बार बार एक ही चीज़ बोल रही हूँ, फर्स्ट सीन एवर रिमेन्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो एट लीस्ट प्रिपेयर वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वेरी बुक विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो गुड डे.